Hi everyone, Fraser here from Panel Tools. I often get asked, what is the ideal tool to use for machining corian or HPL? Well, when I often see guys machining these materials, they're using a standard compression cutter or some combination of a roughing and finishing tool. However, due to the abrasive nature of these materials, carbide tools just burn out after only 20 to 30 sheets of corian. This is why we have to go to a diamond solution. Here we have our PCD Straight Bit. Because it has a diamond edge, it is significantly harder and significantly more heat resistant than standard carbide tools. So even though it's got a slightly higher investment, it will last 200, 300 sheets in corian, and it can handle the entire process on its own. So there's no real need for a roughing tool. In addition, the finish left behind is absolutely perfect. If you have any questions whether this tool could be right for your operation, please get in contact.